In today's video, I'm wanting to teach you how to integrate GoHighLevel with any website. We're going to take a form you've already built in GoHighLevel and place it on any site you manage. WordPress, Webflow, Squarespace, Shopify, or a custom HTML page. By the end, you'll have a live working form that feeds directly into your CRM, so leads are captured in the right place without manual work. Start on your GoHighLevel dashboard and head to the Sites section. This is the hub for anything related to your pages, funnels, and most importantly for today, your forms. Once you're there, open the Forms area. You'll see a list of the forms you've created. If you don't see the one you need, make sure it's saved and named clearly, so it's easy to find later. Select the form you want to use. This opens the form builder, where you can quickly confirm fields, styling, and any required entries. It's a good moment to double check details like required fields and button text, since those will appear exactly as they are when you embed the form on your site. Next, look for the Integrate option inside the form builder. This is where GoHighLevel generates the embed code you'll place on your website. Click Integrate, and you'll see a snippet of code ready to use. It's typically a lightweight script or an iframe that pulls in your form securely. Click to copy the embed code to your clipboard. Now paste that code into your website where you want the form to appear. In WordPress, add a custom HTML block, or use your page builder's code widget. In Webflow, drop an embed component on the page. In Squarespace, use a code block. On a custom site, paste the snippet into the page's HTML inside the body where you want it to render. Save and publish your changes so the form goes live. A few quick tips to make this seamless. The form's look and feel comes from GoHighLevel, so make style adjustments in the form builder rather than editing the embed code. If spacing is off on your page, wrap the embed in a container and add padding in your site editor. The form is responsive by default, but always preview on mobile to confirm it fits your layout. After publishing, do a quick test submission and verify that the contact shows up in GoHighLevel. This confirms both the embed and your CRM workflows are working. And if you don't see updates right away, clear your cache or do a hard refresh. That's it. Your GoHighLevel form is now integrated on your website and ready to capture leads.